Hello, this is a review for Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster. It is a super handy appliance for everyone who loves versatility in the kitchen. It comes with a booklet packed with clear instructions and recipes, so you can get creative with what you cook. Whether you're toasting, baking, or just heating up the leftovers, the booklet helps you make the most of this appliance. The Ninja Foodi Flip Toaster is a game changer for everyone who loves multitasking appliances. It's not just a toaster, this thing flips on its side and turns into a mini oven, which is perfect for heating up small meals, making crispy toast, or even broiling. And now let's see how it works. I have my Costco artisan bread. I'm gonna toast it first, and then I'm gonna put some cheese on it and melt it in a mini oven. So here we can choose shade level. The lowest is 1 and the highest is 7. I'm gonna put on 4 and start it now. So our toast came out perfectly crispy outside and soft inside. And now let's use our mini oven feature and put some cheese on the toast. And then start. You can check occasionally how melted your cheese is and then just put back and it will start automatically. I didn't wait until the end. It took me only about a minute to get the cheese melted like this. So to sum up, the Ninja Foodi 2-in-1 Flip Toaster is a great combo of a toaster and mini oven. You can use it upright for regular toasting or flip it on its side to bake, broil, or reheat small meals. It's compact and fits well in small kitchens, plus it saves time since you don't need to heat up a big oven. The toasting is even and it works well for bagels too. Overall, it's super handy and I'm really satisfied with my new toaster.
All right, this is my review of the Ninja. I love this thing. It's really good. It's super easy to use. However, there's one problem, and I hope they fix it. It's these trays. If you were to ever drop it, when you drop it, one of the parts is going to break. And here's an example of what it looks like after you drop it. So it's that last screw that's right there is going to break. If you ever drop it, that's the screw right there. When you drop it, when it breaks, it basically, the whole thing will flop. And it's super dangerous to use. Now, the only way to fix it is to somehow unscrew this, but once you screw this thing in, you can't unscrew it. So there's a major design flaw here. There should be a way to like unscrew this. That way you can put a new screw in. But as you can see, you probably can't even put a new screw in. And the manufacturer doesn't allow you to order new trays on Amazon, which sucks. So if you break this, you have to buy a brand new one. So other than that, it's a great product. But the only problem is, if you ever drop this thing, which is really easy to do because it shoots out, if it falls on the floor, this thing will crack. So it's right here, literally that one screw is your Achilles heel of this entire product.
Sí, me la compré porque me la compré. Yo amo esta maquinita. Es muy práctica, fácil de usar para calentar pizza, para hacer unos buenos sándwiches. Me gusta esta opción de que para laquear, que se laquea aquí para usar esta función de hornado. Y la otra función La otra función es hacia arriba, que es para tostar el pan. Y esta se usa así. Una vez que pones el pan, bajas y van. Otra cosa que me gusta de esta, que las migajas del pan, vienen a dar aquí, a esta. Miren, 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 miren. Esas migajas no caen aquí, sino que caen aquí. Y fácil de limpiar. Yo que ustedes me la compro.
Hey guys, wanted to do a really quick video on the Ninja Foodi Flip Toaster. I have a piece of bread in here right now. As you can see, it does have a countdown, which is really awesome. I do have it on toaster mode right now. You have a setting for bagel, also a setting for defrost. You can choose your shade level. And then on the oven option, when you turn it on its side, you do have the temp option, bake, broil, and reheat, and then the start and stop. You do have the traditional pull down for the toaster. It works literally just like a toaster. I can press the stop button. It releases the toast. It is actually a really, really perfect color just after 1.5 minutes. It's also literally silent when it's running. It does come with this tray that you can use to put food on for the actual oven portion itself. You do have to use this as it does close in the oven portion. My only complaint, I can't turn it on its side right now because it is hot from being in toast mode. Mine did come with a little dent right here. All cosmetic, it is on the back, but kind of a little disappointing, but doesn't overall affect the functionality of it, just the look. But this is really awesome. I'm going to do a full written review. Please check it out. Thanks.